In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or on Do Not Disturb mode on Android. I'll be showing you two ways. The first way will be the quick and easy way, and the second way will be using your Android settings app. So for the easy way, go to the top of your screen, tap and swipe down. You'll then see your Android tiles. You can see I've got 4 tiles here, and one of my tiles is the Do Not Disturb tile. If you do not see the Do Not Disturb tile, you can tap and hold and drag down a bit more to see other tiles. You can see now I have a total of 8 tiles. If you're unlucky and still do not see Do Not Disturb tile, then it may be on another page of your tile list if you have one available. To see the other page, swipe from the right to the left, and then you can see in my case the remainder of my Android tiles. You might have a third page or even a fourth page. It depends on the customization you have done on your own personal Android device. Now I'm going to swipe from the left to the right to go back to my first page of my tile list. My Do Not Disturb tile is right here. I'm going to tap on the Do Not Disturb icon to turn it off. And there we go, Do Not Disturb has now been toggled off. If I want to toggle it on again, I simply tap on the disabled icon for Do Not Disturb. And there we go, Do Not Disturb is back on. Now let me show you how to do this in your Android settings app. So I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom to go back to my Android home screen. Now open up your Android settings app. My Android settings app is on my home screen, and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for modes and tap on it. In modes, at the very top, you should see Do Not Disturb. Currently, Do Not Disturb is toggled on. I'm going to tap on it. Do Not Disturb minimizes interruptions by only allowing important people and apps to reach you. You have a bunch of Do Not Disturb filters here that you can adjust, and even more settings regarding the Do Not Disturb mode, and you can choose which notifications go through Do Not Disturb when it's toggled on. Now for this video demonstration, I'm actually going to turn off Do Not Disturb. However, these filters and settings is good to know if you're planning to use Do Not Disturb. So I'm going to tap on the toggle to turn it off. And there we go, Do Not Disturb is now toggled off once again. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to turn off or on Do Not Disturb mode on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?